Hello guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I'm going to be presenting to you a simple library which doesn't do a lot but is something quite interesting to have. So have you ever wondered how these websites usually do it? For example, you have a website which will let you compare two images, maybe to showcase some filters or some effects or whatsoever. And so maybe you want to know how they created that, right? So I'm pretty sure they make use of this amazing plugin or library out here. It's called Image Compare Viewer. So you can check it at imagecompareViewer.netlify.app. So it's just a simple library that allows you to have that functionality. So if you want to work on a project where you need to have two images which are compared side by side just with this amazing slider, you can make use of this library. So it allows you to do just that. So you can put in your two images and easily move the slider up and down to compare the images. So it's just simple, nothing much. You add the HTML code, the JavaScript code, you add your images, you add the options that you want, and you have pretty much this amazing effects on those images. The transition is quite smooth and the library is really straight to the point, nothing complicated. You can compare two images which are totally different, huh? They don't need to be the same. So as you can see, these images, you can just move them left to right and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's it. Maybe you want to compare a house before and after. You have the design and you have the final product. So yes, maybe you want to compare two different filters. I just like the functionality and there's not really much to it, you know. You can also control the smoothing amounts, like how fast the slider moves. See, here is kind of slow, but above here is kind of fast. So that's it. It can also be automatic, you know. Hover to start, like once I hover, I didn't click on it and it started moving according to my slider. If I click, it stops, but when I enter again, it continues. So I kind of like this option. It's interesting. So you have also vertical mode. You can choose to go with the vertical mode. Starting point, you set the starting point. So we are just kind of going through, I think, the different options here. So fluid mode, yeah, it gets the full screen and so on and so forth. So it's kind of interesting and really amazing. So it's straightforward, easy to use. You just go ahead and install it. You can find it by installing it here with the npm, and you can use it in your JavaScript project or your Node.js project. So definitely this is an amazing library. I've been seeing these things on and I've been wondering how they are done. And so this is the library they make use to create these amazing sliders. So hopefully you check this out and you implement it on your project. Hopefully you enjoy the video as well. Catch you on the next one.